TV cables have been changed in your area, but unfortunately, we are facing some technical issues and many complaints. So, in order to avoid any kind of services interruptions, we just need to upgrade your TV receiver box and send the new signals, okay?
Oh, so what do I have to do again? I'm kind of hard of hearing sometimes.
Okay, all you need to do just have to go in front of your TV and turn the TV off and also unplug the main receiver box from the wall.
Oh, see, that's going to be a problem. I'm handicapped.
You are handicapped.
Yeah, so I can't unplug my TV. That's discrimination right there. Can't get no service from a scammer.